Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial on creating an SSH WebSocket server account. Before we dive in, make sure to check out our previous video on setting up an SSH WebSocket server account on the HTTP custom app. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, visit our blog. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for SSH Ocean. Click on the official link to reach the website's homepage. Keep in mind, this website might be unavailable at times, but when it is up, their servers work really well. So, don't get frustrated if the website is slow sometimes. Once you're on the homepage, click the menu button in the upper right corner to expand the menu list. From the list, click on Services, and a new window will open. Click on SSH WebSocket, which will take you to the location page. Here, choose your desired location and click on it. The page will display available servers in that location. Ensure the server you choose is not offline, and then click the Create Now button. On the final page, enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click the Create Now button. In just a few seconds, you'll have successfully created your account. Once your server is created, copy the IP or host, port 80, username, and password. Also, note down the HTTP payload. There you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching.